You
Hi.
can speak too. Say hi.
Hello. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hey guys, Dr. Ray, Chiropractic Plus, I'm back in Lake Minnetonka. We haven't left. We're still here at the 4th of July. But I wanted to talk to you more about gut. We got our seminar coming up on July the 18th at 6:30 p.m. Now let's chat a little bit about the nervous system component as it relates to gut. All right, there's 3 parts to the nervous system, okay? We've got the motor, sensory, and autonomics, okay? There's one more called proprioceptive, but that's kind of nebulous. Now of the automatic systems, there's 2 pieces, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic, the rest and digest, and the fight or flight, okay? Now rest and digest, does that make sense? So the key element is when you're constantly in a state of stress, what happens is your adrenaline system, sympathetics are always firing and you cannot rest and digest. Does that make sense? So that's going to mess with things. So by getting your spine adjusted, getting it back to optimum function, it'll balance out the sympathetics and the parasympathetics. You'll be able to digest and rest better, and the consequences, better digestion, better gut health, overall function. So that's it. Don't forget, July the 18th, 6:30 p.m. Everybody wave and say goodbye this time. Say goodbye, goodbye, say goodbye, goodbye. Everybody's out. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.